Welcome back, guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I am approaching 4,000 subscribers very quickly, and it's a really good feeling. There's a lot more stuff coming. I am keeping the Civic, as I told you guys in the Veloster N video. So, one thing that I really want to start doing on my channel is giveaways. So I'm doing my first giveaway today, and details on that will be at the end of the video, and you will see why when we get to the end of the video. Other than that, I'm going to be going over visual modifications that I want to do, performance modifications, future races that I'm going to have. I have 3 or 4. I have like 4 more races set up. I also just got done a race today, and you guys are going to be very proud of me because I finally got a win. I'm not going to tell you what car I raced. I don't know if I mentioned it in the past couple videos, but we did finally get a win today, and I couldn't be more happy. It was a lot of fun. I met up some really nice guys, and the Civic did really well. So I'll post that video after this one, and I will be live in the chat when that video drops. First thing I want to do is clear up some things from the last video where I test drove the Veloster N, and I'm sorry I couldn't get that on video for you guys. I'm going to try to get another test drive with another Veloster N and see if I could find a dealership where the salesman will be willing to let me film it, or at least let Vivian sit in the back seat and film it, or something like that. Okay, I got some comments where people were pretty much crapping on me because I said I feel like my Civic was faster. I did also say I felt like my Civic, as it sits right now, could beat a Veloster N, and what I meant by that was in a straight line. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I think I can drive my SI quicker around a track than the Veloster N, because I know that will not happen. But this car pulls, like, for those of you who have the TSP Stage 1 tune on your Civics, you know that like a good 50 roll in third gear, this car pulls, man. Like, this car hauls. Well, it's kind of shady, but all the parks are closed here in California, so I'm on the side of the road, and I guess I'm just gonna film this vlog out here pretty much. In my video, I told the guy on the phone that I had seen a black Veloster N in person, and I saw it at Cars and Coffee. Well, oddly enough, that guy who I saw at Cars and Coffee commented on the video, and he said, hey, I'd love to meet up sometime and we could, go for a drive. So I'm definitely gonna try to make that happen. I'm not gonna do like a full, produced race video out of it. We'll just get together, maybe do like just one like 50 roll, just to see how they stack up. I'm not sure when that's coming, but soon. As you know, I need an intercooler upgrade big time. One of the things I want to talk about today, I actually want to shout out somebody who has been really nice and really helpful. His name is Devon Wood, and you can see his Instagram account right here. Really nice guy, and he has a black FC3, and it's beautiful. Obviously, I'm showing you pictures right now, but he actually just got sponsored by Mishimoto, and he inspired me to go ahead and submit an application to be sponsored by MA Performance. Hopefully I can get that. I think with my YouTube alone, I should be able to get approved for sponsorship by MA Performance. And the way it works is when I refer one of you guys and you go buy a part from them, I think it's like $5 per referral, and I get discounts on their parts and stuff like that. So hopefully I can get that, because then I would be able to afford a lot more mods. And I'm pretty sure, I told them in my application, I'm pretty sure I've already referred a bunch of people to go buy from your website because of the exhaust video, when I put on my exhaust. This beautiful exhaust right there. So I'm really hoping I can get that all squared away, because I want to get the Mishimoto intercooler upgrade. I also would like to get maybe the PRL front pipe downpipe combo eventually, or the MA Performance. I'm not really sure yet. And obviously I'm gonna need a clutch sometime this year, because I am gonna keep this car. It looks like I'm gonna keep this car until the BRZ comes out, the 2nd gen, and that's supposed to come out next summer. Okay, so now for visual modifications. I want you guys to tell me your opinion. I want you to be very honest with me. The HFP, the Honda Factory Performance side skirts, are gorgeous for this car. I think all SI should have come with them to begin with. But it's a very small difference. It's gonna cost about, the cheapest I found them online was maybe 400-ish, maybe a little less than 400 for a pair of them. And I think they come painted. Like, I think that's the only aftermarket side skirt I can get for the coupe, because it seems like all the good stuff is for the sedans for the 10 chintz. Here are the videos from today's race, but you guys can't see them yet because, you know, the side skirts would be like eventually. First thing that I want to do as far as visual modifications is I want to do something with the color of this car. There are some wrap colors that I saw. I went to 3m.com or whatever the website is, and I looked at all their wrap colors and I Googled images to see what they look like. One of them that I'm interested in is the 3M 1080 Sunflower Yellow. I think this looks really cool. This is a Mazda Speed 3. What inspired me to be interested in this color is Grant's Focus ST that I raced. Another color is 3M Gloss Fiery Orange. Honestly, I think this is probably my favorite. And then, actually, you know what? It's not the orange that's my favorite. It's the Intense Blue. This one is my favorite. I want you guys to tell me in the comments what you think is the best one. Obviously, it's my car and it's my choice at the end of the day. But do you think like the Intense Blue would be obnoxious? Do you think it's more of a, you know, Porsche or Corvette color than it is like a Honda Civic? Do you think I would just look like a racer? Just let me know what you guys think. If I don't go with the wrap, what I'll probably do is get it ceramic coated. Now, finally onto the giveaway. So a couple videos ago, I changed out the side markers. I put on Unity Performance's smoked with LED side markers. Those aren't the ones I ordered though. I ordered the ones with the amber lights. Well, right after I posted that video, someone who's friends with the guy who owns Unity Performance and makes the side markers sent him the video and said, hey, this popped up on my feed or something like that. And he immediately messaged me, I have him on Facebook, and he said, holy crap, dude, I'm so sorry about that. He was really nice, and he went out of his way. I didn't even, I wasn't gonna go and complain because I think that's a really petty thing. Like I said, they still look good. Yeah, I ordered the amber, but the LED do look really good. He actually did send me the ones with amber, and I'm going to install them on one side right now. Then Vivian and I are going to decide which one we want to keep on the car, and whichever one we don't want to keep on the car, I'm gonna put them back in the package, and I'm going to give away to one of you guys. Okay, bro. Dude, are you kidding me, man? That looks freaking nasty, dude. That looks really good. That obviously matches better, but oh my God. You know what? I think I'm gonna keep that one. That one just pops, dude. That just pops with the black, the gray. Oh, that just pops, man. I think I'm gonna keep those. Let's go back. I'm gonna ask Vivian which one she thinks looks better, and then we're gonna make a decision, and I'm gonna tell you guys how to enter. So this is the side that I changed out. This is gonna be the amber one, okay?
Ooh. That's kind of cool.
That's exactly what I said. I put that on, I turned on the lights, and I was like, oh, damn.
Yeah, I kind of like this better.
But come over here. Let's go look at the other side again. Like, that looks good.
Yeah, that does look good.
Okay, what did you just say, babe?
But this looks cool too.
I really like this side.
I vote that we
So we're gonna let them decide. And then what? I'm gonna give away my sloppy seconds.
Hey, it's free shit.
Yeah, it is free shit, and it's brand new. They've been on the car for like a week and a half, 2 weeks.
See, this one flows. It flows with the lighting. I
Okay.
bet we let them decide.
All right. So I guess I'm gonna let you guys decide. You know what? I want you guys. I'll give it 3 days, and then I will count up. Vivian's mad because I only got her Wendy's and I didn't get Wendy's for myself. But it's because I just binged on pizza like 4 hours ago. That was only 4 hours ago. I'm not even that hungry. And it's almost beach season and I'm nowhere near ready. I guess what we're gonna do is I'm gonna let you guys vote in the comments. I just want you to I'm gonna tally up all the comments after precisely 72 hours. Okay, I'm gonna count up all the votes, amber versus LED, and then I'm gonna give away the ones that you guys choose for me to not. And then whichever one has the most votes, I'll give away the one that has the least amount of votes. So what I need you to do to enter is, all you need to do is comment on this video and say what year Civic you have, what year your Civic is, and how many miles are on it. That's all you need to do to enter. And then I think, let me see. I'm gonna give this one a little more than 72 hours. How about I give this one a week? And then I will decide on a winner. I really wanna hear your feedback on all the things that I brought up today. If anyone from MA Performance is watching this, please sponsor me. I've ordered a couple parts from you guys and it's been great so far, and I've vouched for you guys, so I don't see why I wouldn't be chosen as a sponsor, but hope to hear back from them soon. And then we're gonna keep on trucking, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.